Okay, we got the gas in there. California approved jug. Actually kind of worked. I don't know why they had it in Nevada, but stupid Californians coming here brought their cans with them. Okay, so we got some rotten gas, fresh gas. We got some new oil in it. The headlight works. It's a good sign. Does the ignition work? Choke on? Definitely a front one. Here's my flashlight right there.
What's the diagnosis?
What's inside the hole in there? How much oil's inside the intake? Is it just residue where I cleaned it, or is it stuff coming out?
It's hard to tell. I don't see any.
Okay, grab a rag and wipe that off. Here, pocket. Pocket. Stick it up in there. I try to clean up in it best I could because it's so full of muck in there. Alright, just wipe off the outside. If any more comes out, we'll know where it is. The line right there. Yeah,
Well, she fired.
it fires up, but it's got some noise. I don't hear the lifting noise as much here as I do up in the front.
There's a ton up there. Obviously, one of those is not pumping up.
One of those is not happy, and they took a long time to bleed down. So much for pre-lubing lifters to make them work. I found that out a week or two back on Joe's bike. It doesn't work.
Shitty thing is to get back in and fix it. The whole top of it.
Well, I didn't bring no Ultima lifters to put in there, so.
So.
S&S told me you run it for about 15 or 20 minutes, and it should go away.
Every time? Like every time it has to do that?
Well, that's what they told me. And I told the guy, I don't like
so.
that too much. On the other side, see if you can figure out which one it is. Slide it down a little bit right there. Slide it down, you hear it? Little slider. Slide it down a little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
I think it's gone.
Jack the bike up. Jack the bike up. We can put it in gear and run it through the gears and get some fluids working through the system, make sure everything works. Pretty damn responsive. Cam woke it up.
Good.
Cam woke up.
I like these pipes. They sound good.
Yeah, woke it up pretty good. That's definitely barking.
The whole sound of the thing.
Yeah, about half that lifter noise went away, but it's so maybe both are pumping. One's not. Only one now, or maybe it's half pumped up. Who knows?
So what do you think, Luke?
Well,
How's that?
It feels great to hear it run.
Maybe that is that rod knock that they had in there.
Another satisfied customer. They've been running 7 years, 10 years. Well, let's see what we can do.
Okay, that's good. Okay, we're gonna run this. We're gonna put it in gear. Start running through the gears a little bit as it's running. And we just try to see how it works. I crank it up. Pull the plug in. Lift it up. Back down. Neutral. Put it neutral. Drove right through that rear brake. The rear brake got hot. I see some blue over there. Okay, the rear brakes are working. It drives right through that rear brake. Once the fires came up, it's done. I just lay on the brake lever with my elbow and it's done. All right, so I'd say go ahead and put the footboard on it and put the air cleaner on it and seat, and we'll take it down the street and see if it feels all right going down the street.
All right.
And the front brake, obviously, you gotta see if they work a little bit. But the rear one definitely does work now. I burned all the goo off the back of the brake.
8 years of doing nothing.
And your gummy bears are still in there, Fred.
Are they still? Did we wake them up?
I don't know. Are they coming out? No, I think they're still sleeping. The dirt daubers are still sleeping.
I think dirt mountain is gone.
Think they're gone? Now we got the oils and stuff burn off the pipes, so that's working. The shifters seem to work all right, or the tranny worked, I guess. They seem fine. Seem to go up just fine. The pipe might be a little warm. Maybe a little.
It runs!
So that was the 37 we put in there? Yeah. To be 37 right there, that one. Nice response. Now if you had this 31 or something number, it'd have a little bit more downstairs power. Just like 10% more maybe? Not even that much, probably 5%
You remember
more.
the cams we put in? I can't remember.
But this one has a little bit more on the top. So it has a
Sounds
little more bark to it. They're both really, really strong cams for
Sounds real good.
stock. It's basically a stock Bolton cam as far as I'm concerned. If you want to have any fun with it. It'll still run down the road just fine in high gear and all that stuff, so. Does the stereo system work? Because Fred's got to have a stereo working.
It made a little buzzing sound when you put the battery on, so I suspect
Oh,
it
that's
does.
good. That's perfect. Had a modern tune.
No. This guy put some money into this thing. I mean, they're all disco stuff, you know.
Yeah, he's got this. He paid a lot of money for that sticker. It's got gold in that sticker.
Yeah.
Can't just get that anywhere.
You're gonna have to get rid of
And
that.
don't forget these bloodsucker pokers here.
Man, my hand still hurts from that one.
You drawing blood there still, Fred?
No, but it still hurts.
Is it pussing up yet?
Probably didn't.
They didn't put. It's disinfected. It's stainless steel. It's disinfected.
Ain't nobody gonna run up behind you and grab your pipe.
Okay, let's see if we got any oil leakage down under here. Look at the oil coming off that. Okay, Fred, your gasket torque worked great. Good job. Thumbs up.
Try to meet your footstool.
The primary chain was adjusted correctly because it didn't make noise over here. I couldn't hear it over the rattling of the valves.
I couldn't hear anything.
Well, hopefully the valve calms down because that's not the cam doing that. And we have no rocker box leaks or anything that we noticed yet. Filter is still dry, I guess. There's nothing on the bottom of the filter, so you always want to check your oil filters after you do a change. There's a drop down there though because he didn't clean the bike very well. So you should clean all this stuff off your bike before you check for oil leaks. That way you know if it's actually leaking or not. New guys don't understand these theories in life, how things work. I was talking about you again. Right behind your back, wasn't it? Yeah, perfect. All right, so if it leaks there again, we'll know it. We'll find out if that regulator still leaks oil or not. I wiped it off. I'm hoping the regulator does not leak oil because I don't think there's a gasket for it. That rotten gas stunk a little bit, didn't it?
Yeah. It smoked it off pretty quick.
Yeah, it burned it through. Yeah, the first couple minutes it went away. Surprised the injectors didn't plug up.
We should probably put some cleaner in this. I got it. I got that.
You got some of that Lucas stuff? Yeah, it wouldn't hurt to put a little in there. Where is that, over in your chemicals container? No, we know the crank's not making noise, at least as far as we can tell. There you go. So that motor runs pretty good for being blown up.
We got this shit too.
Is that red line?
Help that a little maybe.
Is that red line? Stable, that's for storage. You're not gonna store this thing, you're gonna ride it. Fred, how do you open this up? Oop. How do you open this up? Okay, this treats 100 gallons. So how many gallons are in this tank?
5.
So it takes 26 ounces. Right there, that's 26 ounces.
It's like 4 ounces, maybe.
Open it up.